Guys, so I'm somewhere where they have tornadoes, and a tornado is gonna appear in 25 minutes. And right now I'm in the basement with my two dogs, and Lily, she is with our parents because she got too scared. So I'm staying in my little spot, and she's coming in. She just came in. She's in bed right now because she's so scared. She's crazy. So, in the basement, we usually store everything in here. So, so it's gonna appear in like 55 minutes or something. So, I'm just bored. And this is where I've been singing with my karaoke machine. So yeah, I'm scared, guys. And then there used to be a window down here. Like, literally. There used to be, like, a big window, like, right there. But, so like, we got rid of it because we thought we would get hurt. And then we just put, like, cool thingy, whatever this is called. It's like a wall. It looks so cool. God. This scared me. Ow. So, yeah, I'm in my basement right now, and there's light. There's light in the freaking basement. So, yeah, guys. Oh, God, it's gonna appear in 1 second. Okay, bye.